McKinsey just released it. 400 million jobs gone by 2027. Not maybe, confirmed. Right now, 94% of companies are deploying AI automation. Goldman Sachs ran the numbers. 300 million full-time positions eliminated globally. Customer service roles are first. TTEC Holdings already cut 47,000 workers. Replaced by chatbots, one company, 1 year. Data entry is next. UiPath reports 2.3 billion repetitive tasks automated monthly. Your admin job could be gone tomorrow. Accounting positions face 81% automation risk according to Deloitte. Mid-level finance roles are critical targets. Your paycheck depends on skills AI cannot do. Yet, your competition is not your coworker anymore. It is code. It is algorithms. It is exponential change. This is not hype. This is your 2027 reality. Learn automation now or become automated. That is the choice. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.